In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Amazon Prime Video. Logging out of your Amazon Prime account can be essential for maintaining your privacy, especially when you're using a shared device, or perhaps you're simply taking a break from streaming. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process, step by step, in a clear and easy manner. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Prime Video homepage. This can be done by typing www.primevideo.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once you're there, make sure you're on the homepage, where you'll see a range of movie and TV show titles, along with various navigation options. Now, on the main page, you'll want to locate your profile icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. Your profile icon might appear as a small circle containing your account's profile picture, or if you haven't set a specific photo, it could show your initials. Go ahead and click on this icon. By doing so, you'll open up a drop-down menu that provides access to various account settings and options. Once the menu appears, take a moment to find and select the option labeled Sign Out. It should be located towards the bottom of the list. Clicking on Sign Out will log you out of your Amazon Prime account, officially ending your session. This action ensures your account remains safe and secure, particularly on devices that other people might also use. This simple procedure only takes a few moments, ensuring that you can log out efficiently after enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Remember, you can always log back in by entering your credentials when you wish to return to your account. If you're logging out to switch to another account, or to update your login details, knowing how to sign out gives you the flexibility and control you might often need. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your Amazon Prime Video account is logged out securely. Remember, whether it's privacy, security, or simply good practice, understanding how to log out properly is a valuable part of managing your streaming accounts. Thank you for watching. And be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks regarding your favorite platforms. Until next time.